Today we're going to review the Baseus S2 Outdoor 4K security camera. I really like Baseus's products, so we're going to take a look at them and set it up outside and see how well it works. I enjoy their products because their security cameras do not have any extra fees. You just set it up and it works. And I have reviewed one of their other security cameras recently, still using it and really like it. I'll put a link to that review in the description below. So let's take a look at what we get real quick before we go outdoors and set it up. Let me get the camera itself. Now what's really cool about this camera is it has a solar panel on top that will rotate as the sun moves, so it's constantly getting a charge. That is fantastic. So you don't have to figure out where to place it exactly and how to angle the solar panel because it does it on its own. So it has a threaded socket here. There is the lens. And it looks like it has a built-in LED to light up if it detects motion, either right here or maybe this, I can't tell. On the bottom, looks like a speaker or a microphone. We have a sync button and a power cover with a USB-C port and a slot for a micro SD card. So you have extra storage for the camera. So there's the camera itself. It's nice and compact. I like the design of it. Let's see what else we get. We get a USB-A to USB-C cable. Maybe that's to pre-charge the battery in the camera. We get some mounting hardware. And we get a metal mounting bracket. That's nice. A lot of times these are plastic, and when you have this stuff outdoors in the weather, it can get brittle after a while, so it's nice that they included a metal one. And we have the quick start guide. Looks like we got a sticker here to help you with mounting, and we have a nice manual. All right. Let's take this outside, mount it, and see how well it works. Okay, this is where I decided to temporarily mount it up on the railing of my deck, as you can see. And the idea is that I want to just see how it can capture wildlife in this location. We get a lot of deer and coyote and even turkey in the yard, so I thought that would be a good thing to try to test for now. So I just mounted it temporarily. As you can see, use some Velcro strapping. I know it's nothing fancy, but it'll get the job done for now while I test, and then I'll find another place to mount it for some other tests. Okay, I have been using this camera for a few weeks. I wanted to show you what it looks like to use it. Here is the app right here, the Baseus Security app. It loads really quickly, as you can see. And I have two cameras. The one down here is the other one that I mentioned that I reviewed before. Link in the description below. It's offline right now because I brought it inside to charge it up. I was having some issues, not the fault of the camera itself. So here is the top one. This is the S2. And you can see this little moving icon here. That designates that the solar panel is trying to find some sunlight, and that's because it's a rainy day today. But we're going to go ahead and take a look here. It's going to let us see a live view. It looks a little wonky because I've got it mounted on an outdoor security camera, or I'm sorry, it's on an outdoor security light. So it's a little off kilter there, as you can see, but the picture's pretty good. So we can see that the battery right here is at 100%, And you can see that you can change some things, like you can mute it, you can go to full screen, which I don't know if I can do that because I'm doing this through my MacBook iPhone mirroring to capture this, so I don't think I can turn it to be horizontal. But let's go back to the main screen, and if you look down here at the bottom, you will see the events. Now it's by date. Like you can see here, today is the 21st, and these are the motion events that it has captured. In this one at about 8 a.m. this morning, you can see that it's got a little picture here. It's supposed to be an animal, which means that it saw an animal. So when I click on it, it will play the video, and there's my cat Ozzy walking around. And you can see down here at the bottom, there is another there's a bar that lets you switch between different events that happened. Look, there's a skunk. Can you see that little skunk there? And there it goes. And let's see what else has been walking through my yard. Another cat, not my cat. Now, whoops, let's go back a day. Let's go back a few days. I want to show you that it also captures, whoa, it captured a turkey. Let's take a look at that. There's a turkey walking across my patio. And it captures the sound too. Can you hear the birds? Right there. I don't know if that's coming through the microphone or not. And so whenever it detects an animal, it has this little icon. But it also, if I can go back far enough, I want to show you that it can capture people as well. Let me keep going. There we go. We had a person that was here doing some work on the house, and we can see that he was doing some spraying for boar bees, and you can see that it captured that. And there he walks off camera. Now, check this out. See where my cursor is up here at the top, the circle? And right in here, it will remember faces. So that's a really cool feature that you can zoom in on the face, and at some point it probably has me in here, right here. See these pictures here? It's little, it knows who I am, and it's captured part of my face. And we can scroll down through here, and we can see I must have been moving the camera right now because there's my hand. And at some point here, it must have part of my face in the picture because it's detected me and it knew who I was because I saved my face as one of the faces. And it, I don't know why it's not playing. This is actually pulling this footage from the camera that's outside right now. There's my face. Not a very good look there, but it knew who I was. So this app works great. It's quick. I don't have any issues with pulling it up, even when I was in Ireland last week. When I would get notifications that something tripped the motion, I was able to pull it up all the way from Ireland, and I live in Indiana, so it worked great. Another great feature is that you can actually download the video clips to your phone and then put them on your desktop if you want to see them much larger than your iPhone or your Android phone screen. So here you can see some examples of some of the clips that I downloaded. The video is really good. I don't have any complaints there. I love how it captures wildlife and the sounds. I'm not sure if any of these sounds are coming through, but I can hear the birds, and in some of the clips I was hearing the turkeys clucking as they were walking through the yard. And it also does a great job with night vision. There you saw a cat walk through at night, and it looks like you can see gnats, or it's raining. I'm not sure what those little streaks are. It's one of the other, rain or gnats. We get a lot of gnats in southern Indiana at this time of year.
And there's my cat again, Ozzy. And you can see the leaves are blowing, but you can still see the leaves. I really like the Baseus S2 camera. I will keep using it. I love that it does not require a monthly subscription. So if this is something that you would like to know more about, please check the description below. And as always, I hope you have a great day.